If you found us from an online search, you came to the right place. Please give us 2 minutes to explain why.
As a fellow automotive enthusiast, I've spent countless hours perfecting my paint job, only to be frustrated by mismatched colors and wasted materials. But after years of trial and error, I've cracked the code on getting the perfect automotive paint mixing ratios every time. In this post, I'll share my secrets with you, so you can achieve professional-looking results without breaking the bank. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIY novice, I'll guide you through the process, step by step, to ensure your next paint job is a showstopper. Accurate ratios matter. In the matter of automotive paint mixing, using the correct ratios is crucial to achieve the desired color and finish. A small mistake in the ratio can result in a faulty paint job, wasting time and resources. Simplify the process. With the right tools and techniques, automotive paint mixing ratios can be made easy and efficient. By using a paint mixing calculator or a color matching system, painters can streamline the process and reduce errors. Expert guidance is key. Working with an experienced professional who has in-depth knowledge of automotive paint mixing ratios can make all the difference. They can provide personalized guidance and ensure that the paint job meets the highest standards. Give us a call at 520-882-8898 and get your mix today.
For more information, please click the link below or give us a call.